Attention of Honorable Chief Minister.
Yes.
Fear and concern of residents of Bardes constituency, including Aldana constituency, in relation to non-supply, irregular supply of water in Aldana constituency, especially in the villages of Kalvi, Karana, Olauli, Pomburpa, Ikuchi wards, wards of Zoidar Wado, Jaide Wado, Borwan Wado and Wangin Wado, Sai Nagar of Nationala, villages of Ukasai, Bastora and Saligaon constituency, as also the non-replacement of pipeline from Karona junction to Lankade and Karona along the main road, and also diversion of water by manipulation of valve at Ikoshi, thus depriving Karona and Ikoshi regular water supply with no proper maintenance of public water tanks at Moira, Nationala, Borwan Wado, Ikoshi, Pazir, Mapsa, Sioli, Asagao, and the apprehension that with the summer approaching, these areas will be parched with and face untold hardships. The steps the government intends
you
to
have
take.
mentioned, Mr. Okay. Bardes Taluka is supplied potable water from Asnoda water treatment plant. The water is being supplied to all the consumers regularly, and there has been no complaint from the consumers in recent times. However, during the power failure, plant shut down for a maintenance work and breakdown. Water supply to some areas is restricted. Also, during the recent stoppage of the raw water from Tilari Canal to Asnoda and Porvorim water treatment plant from 13th of November to 28th of December 23, the water was supplied on alternate days by informing the consumers through the press note. Since 29th of December, the water is supplied regular, and there is absolutely no need for the fear and concern in the mind of the residents of the Bardes Taluka. For further improvement of the water supply in the Aldana constituency, the construction of the new water storage tank at Vaingunawado in village Panchayat Nationala is being proposed. As far as the Saligaon constituency is concerned, improvement has been made in the water distribution by providing the dedicated pumping line. And with this, the area of the Verem, Rais Mangus part and the Nerul are getting the sufficient water. Additionally, government has taken up the various projects in Bardes Taluka constituencies, and the quantity of the potable water shall be enhanced by 50 MLD by the end of December 2024. And once this project is commissioned, the Bardes Taluka will be the self-sufficient with the drinking water. तुमचो स्वताचोच तालुका उदकाच्या बाबतीत स्वयंपूर्ण जातलो हाजी हांव एश्युरन्स दिता by December 2024.
Honorable Chief Minister, कितें जाता प्रेशर सोडना तेन्ना उदो आसता पूण प्रेशर ना जाल्यार गोर वयर आहात तेन्ना उदो मेळना तांकां. सो दिस अ प्रॉब्लम. प्रेशर सामको ना. सो स्पेशली इन कालवी, कारोणा एंड द हायट्स मेळना. पोमुरपा, एकोशी वयर आहात तेन्ना तांकां उदो मेळना. सोकला मेळटात. सो इफ देर इज अ कन्सिस्टंट गूड प्रेशर ऑफ वॉटर देन इट कॅन हॅपन. प्लस हांवें एकोशी पाजीर कित्याक म्हणलां थिंग एक उदकाच्यो टांकी आसा. थिंग उदो वचना. इफ एटलीस्ट थिंग बोरले जाल्यार एटलीस्ट पीपल वील गेट द वॉटर डावन. If you can just look into this and give some assurance.
Speaker sir, मदी थोडी वाल सिस्टम जी घालपाक जाय पळय ती घालून पयली जे टँक भरपाचो तो विचार करता आनी प्रेशर मेंटेन करपा खातीर सिस्टम वर्किंग करपाक लायता.